We are here in Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan. Bishkek is the capital of Kyrgyzstan. So we are here for our first Kyrgyzstan snow drive. The drive will start tomorrow. This is Vikram here, and we are in Kyrgyzstan, and this is a day 2 here and day 1 of our driving. We just started driving today. Last night we spent in Bishkek, and today we are just going for a day drive, and it is already spectacular.
Morning. We are in a town called Cholpo-Nata in Kyrgyzstan, and today is not about driving. Today we are going to go on these beautiful horses, the usual mode of transportation in Kyrgyzstan, and these horses are going to take us to Issyk Lake, the largest lake in Central Asia.
Hello from Kyrgyzstan. Another day, another drive, and I'm here at the Fairy Tale Canyon overlooking the Issyk Lake. Every day is getting better and better.